What's going on, guys? Charles back at Factory Performance, and we just got our brand new set of Venom Rex 604 flow-formed wheels. And these are brand new. These have been out for, if that, about a week right now. And we just got a set thanks to Venom Rex. Big shout out to them over there. These are Raptor specific fitment, by the way, and there are a ton of different fitments from Dodge Ram, Toyota Tacoma, regular F-150, and Raptor. Look at these sick pockets. This is wild. For a flow-formed wheel, these kind of cuts right here are extremely difficult to do. We are getting rid of our OEM 17-inch wheels that we have clearly, these tires are just done. It was fun messing with the Mustang. I love racing my Mustang, but this thing as a daily driver is fan-freaking-tastic. We want to sell these parts for this truck. So stay tuned, guys. I want you to watch the evolution of this truck and see all the power it can make and the fun you can have in it.